that you confuse. You are a black man. Allow me to talk. If you want to hear, allow me to talk. Let me explain. Let me explain. Let me know when you feel carry the weight of truth. You know feel carry am. You Baba, I mean they look you like this, but now they look down on you. I look down on you. You may go you do yourself you make yourself a that see me out, you know, quorum shit. Get out. The same false accusation Nigeria was raising against Simon Ekpa. You and people you have deceived. And they put up the same thing against his surrogate, against someone that is now sitting on his behalf, acting on his behalf. The Deputy Prime Minister to the United States of Biafra, the Chief of Staff to Biafra. They put up things that will implicate the government, things that Nigerian government and Nigerians, people that hate Biafra, did against our Prime Minister. You are now grooming people to do it against the people that Simon left behind to oversee things. You were told you will not be included in the new cabinet.
That is it, nothing more.
Is it about you or about
nothing more.
People, about our people, about the liberation of Biafra, about our future? Is it about you? Who are you? Who are you? That post to shit, everything is propaganda, everything is play. Everything is play. You.
You get the point. You get the point? Now let me show you the post. You heard him mention, is this not the post that you made? Now here is the post. Let me remove this so that you will be able to see it properly. Let me remove this. Okay. Now here is the post. This is an Akparawa's post. Far back 20. You can see it now. Wait. 17 September 2023. And the post says this. When we started, they said that this extra beautiful chief of staff of Biafran government, okay, which is BRIGE, was agent of Nigeria. That they said that she was agent of Nigeria. This from Akparawa. Then Buhari government, agent of Nigerian government, Buhari government. People saw visions from their toilets and bedrooms. Today, this is the same chief of staff of Biafran government that going for a world-class peace summit for us. Similar to me from on a mellow right? That kind of thing. He was then celebrating her. She was extraordinarily beautiful. Are you getting the point? All of a sudden, because you have been told that the cabinet had been reshuffled, it happened that that announcement came from COS. Therefore, automatically, that thing they told you in 2013 become real instantly. And not only that, she's now a Fulani. All of a sudden, the same thing with the Remages. Ngozi was so nice, so she was a lioness, right? They called her lioness, and she's this, she's that. She's so beautiful, she's so eloquent, she's so smart, everything perfect. None, like he said in the audio that you listened, that she was donating heavily. According to him, now that donation become to buy her way. Do you get the point? Now, immediately you saw that his caterpillar is in communication with somebody, not with CSO. CSO become Nigerian government, she become Nigerian agent.